Maybe not. I don't know.
She's inside. Stacy.
Sorry.
Tipping it over.
No, she's not tipping it over.
Good at seeing that.
It's like, okay, I killed one.
Set that back up.
That black and
Stacy,
white
I'm
one
gonna
wants
end up
to get out.
videotaping your underwear for all of YouTube
Did you show her her
see.
underwear? They have to be washed. Oh. Is this Stacy's? Yeah, anybody that wants to wear a pumpkin that lights up. Does it light up? Does it light up? She's gonna wear it for Halloween.
You just attacked that one.
Stacy, let's us get going.
Like another one.
Oh,
Okay,
I wanted to
if
talk
she
to you
wants
later.
it. How about
A little bit.
what? You better talk to me now because I'm leaving.
I'm trying to videotape.
Yeah.
Come on.
Goodbye.
She's doing it again, Carrie.
She's got
killing
her
'em.
claw stuck to it.
She's funny. I mean it. She's funny. They got the black and white one dead. You killed it. Misty, you killed it. That army one is strong. He's humping that one. They're trying to make zuzu babies.
Oh, God.
Ah.
Stop it. You're going to make me pee out.
You think that's loose enough, Carrie? I'm happy. Ass over tea kettle. Let's get home, Carrie. I want to take my. Well, I gotta find out what Danny wants to talk to me about first.
Oh, my gosh. Look at her.
I want to put some OxyClean
Oh,
on her.
she knocked it over.
Bring your purse in here,
Good.
please.
And it's dead.
My purse
It's like, hey, it's like not doing anything.
Nobody's
that I would like to use on the plane. I hope you can put that Prada on.
I think this is hilarious.
Oh God,
I've never seen a cat do this before.
Neither. She's
she's
just a
acting
baby.
so huge.
She's like the size of my foot. I'm a little kid. I'm 8. That's good.
I'm sorry, Stacy. Did you just say you're a little shit?
I hope not.
Ah, they crashed.
Then, I'm a little girl.
What the?
None of them are living in that castle.
No, because it's blocked.
Actually, you have
Ah, you escaped. Yeah, I was going to.
Well, the kitten was in the castle.
Because I gotta wash this pillow first.
princess.
She likes that one the most.
Yeah, she likes the green one the most.
I think her favorite color is green.
It
You need to talk
crashed.
to me. You better talk to me fast.
That one just wants to
I don't like
escape.
This thing. I don't know.
Well, that one just is trying to escape.
Oh my
What is
gosh!
she doing? Oh, I think she realized she's got a collar on, too. She's like, come on. Any of you, come through the tunnel. I dare you. Yep, she realizes she's got a collar on.
You realize she's got a color on.
It's a three-way crash.
What, Mom?
It's a 4-way.
Oh, she fixed it or
Do you have
something.
any light colored clothes?
It's a 4-way cross.
I don't know. Check my thing.
No, you.
I'm busy.
There's not a plug there.
I need you to talk to me if you need to talk to me quick.
I'm busy. Come on.
Well, I'm leaving, so there.
Don't.
Can you come in the bathroom and talk to me there?
I'll videotape.
No, she doesn't need to keep videotaping.
I'll
It
videotape.
doesn't need to be a 5-minute video. People get bored after a while.
go. I can video you.
One of them makes a chicken sound, and I don't know which one it is.
I'll wait until I get home because I'll put this stuff in.
I think it's that cow one. It's that cow one.
No.
I watched it. Ah, turn those two back on.
They're all trying to escape.